Get ready for an epic transformation. Today, I'm taking on the challenge of creating a jaw-dropping feature wall without breaking the bank. I reached out to professionals and was shocked to find out they were quoting me over £3,000. But I'm not one to shy away from a DIY project, so I decided to take matters into my own hands. After careful consideration and a bit of number crunching, I figured out the real cost of materials. Armed with a newfound determination, I headed to the local wood shop and grabbed a bunch of sturdy 2x4s. First, I prepared the vertical 2x4s, ensuring they were perfectly aligned. Then, with unwavering precision, I started placing the horizontal 2x4s, marking each point where they intersected with the vertical ones. To achieve that flawless flush finish, I carefully sawed halfway through the marked points, creating a seamless connection between the wood and the wall. And to make sure everything was evenly spaced, I cleverly used wedges as spacers. This technique worked like a charm, giving my feature wall a polished and professional look. Step by step, I repeated this process, steadily working my way up until I reached the ceiling. With a television in mind, I made sure to leave ample space for a future TV mount. Measurements were taken, spaces were fixed, and each horizontal piece of wood was meticulously labeled, ensuring a smooth assembly process. Now came the fun part: painting and staining. I carefully coated the 4 vertical pieces of wood in a sleek black color, blending them seamlessly with the wall. As for the rest of the wood, I painted and stained it to achieve my desired color, adding a touch of personal flair to the project. With everything prepped and ready, I brought all the components together on the floor, strategically drilling and fixing the wood using screws from behind. This genius technique ensured that no unsightly screws would be visible once the entire wooden masterpiece was mounted on the wall. Now, the time had come to unveil the grand finale. With the help of 6 of my awesome friends, we lifted and carefully positioned the assembled wood against the wall. It was a sight to behold. To secure it in place, I drilled 4 holes, firmly attaching it to the wall. And just like that, my stunning feature wall was complete. The transformation was absolutely breathtaking. The once mundane space now exuded a sense of sophistication and style. This DIY project not only saved me a fortune but also allowed me to showcase my creativity and craftsmanship. I couldn't be prouder of the end result.